make a tone for the hummus. You have to use very steel. Usually I'm using a wood or a metal saw to cut some metal, but I'm using it to make a tongue for the hummus. It's very difficult to cut this metal, so I'm using a tool. I'm using like this. So I cut it. To cool down metal, use oil. Now, this is tool to sharp knife. You see, if the form is round, not endless, it means sound going, vibration is going normal. It means it's going like this, like wave. It's waving, okay. Now I'm checking the vibration of this stuff. It should be moving not going like this, for example.